This week, as I was reading through the Bible, I came across a verse that I have a feeling will change your life. This verse is from Matthew chapter 7, verse 13, and it goes by saying, "Enter through a narrow gate, for wide is the road of self destruction, and many enter through it. But small is the gate, and narrow the road that leads to life, and only a few people find it." Now, once you actually read this again and understand what the writer is trying to say, it got me to think and it got me to look around me. And basically, I came to a conclusion that everyone nowadays, very few people feel fulfilled nowadays. Look around. How many people actually are enjoying what they do, live a fulfilled life, and give out good energy to the world? Look around. I'd say there are a few people that are feeling fulfilled, but it's very little. And maybe it's me, maybe I'm just surrounding myself with the wrong people. However, if you look at the bigger picture, this is the conclusion that you will come to. A lot of people are focused on materialistic things, but they struggle to understand or dig deep through themselves to understand what their soul is trying to say. So why does everyone not feel fulfilled then? For as few people take time out of their day to dig deep, few reflect deeper than surface level thoughts. Ask yourself, when was the last time you went around in nature, sat down, no phone, no music, no thoughts, nothing, and you just sat there and thought about yourself? You just sat there and thought about your feelings. You just sat there without any distraction and just was present. When was the last time you did this? And this gets you to think that few people have purpose in life. Few people are living with purpose. Yes, they live, they go to their job, they go back to their family, they go to a job that they don't like, and yeah, that's just how it is. That's the rat race that everyone is living in. And try to ask yourself, do you have purpose? Do you have a mission to inspire? Do you have a mission to achieve something great? And when was the last time you truly felt alive? That you truly had that spark in you to set you up for greatness? And you have to remember that the pain of discipline will get you to achieve greatness. By being disciplined, it will help you avoid the pain of regret. But few people want to go through the pain of achieving greatness nowadays. And as David Goggins said, it's so easy to be great nowadays because everyone just wants to be normal. And while if you're listening to this video and say, I don't want anything great, that's fine, that's on you. You've taken that decision on yourself. However, this video is for those who have a spark within themselves but do not know how to start the fire that will lead them to achieve what they want to achieve. And this video is for you. If you're listening to this, you know who you are. And you have to understand the pain of regret is greater than the pain of discipline. You will regret it nowadays. You will regret it down the line if you don't start today. So what's holding you back? Ask yourself, what is holding you back? And you have to learn how to go through periods of your life of suffering, of pain. Because how will you enjoy the greatness that comes after if you've never went through the suffering? How will you appreciate the light that comes to your life 6 months, 12 months down the line when you were never going through moments in time of darkness? So ask yourself, do I have what it takes to achieve what I want to achieve? And if you're watching this far, I'm pretty sure you do. So why not just start today? That's all it takes. Write down what you want to do, write down your goals, and achieve what you want to achieve. Start by taking care of yourself. Start by talking positively to yourself. It's these little things that will make you feel empowered, that will give you the energy to basically move on and grow throughout life. And Seneca famously said, while we wait for life, life passes. Read that again. While we wait for life, life passes. So the truest question that I will ask you today is, what are you waiting for? You're scared of what your friends think? Your friends will be dead in 100 years. No one will remember them. No one will remember their opinions. No one will remember the opinions of people you think that are judging you. And just also remember that whoever is judging you, whoever is criticizing what you're doing, is typically below you. So, do you really care? You should not. And that's why I tell you, start building, start working on your dreams, start losing weight, start finding happiness in whatever you do. So, make positive choices, inspire people, and practice gratitude. Like, we have so much in our life that we are grateful for that we don't even realize. And that's the message of this video. It's a very quick video that I wanted to do, but I wanted to fill it with value so that you can take from it what basically you want to take from it. I mean, the choice is in your hands. You have the choice to start or to wait. But remember, the pain of regret is greater than the pain of discipline. So, without further ado, that wraps up today's quick video. I hope you guys find this inspiring and you get value from it. And don't forget to subscribe to stay in touch with further videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.